To complement the new iPhone 15 color-infused back glass and contoured edge, MUJJO introduces a new line of iPhone 15 leather cases. The Shield case, full leather case, and full leather wallet case, which offer a blend of sophisticated aesthetics and advanced protection, featuring sustainable practices such as grit-and water-free leather tanning and the use of recycled materials. The cases are compatible not only with the iPhone 15 but also backward compatible with the iPhone 13 and 14 models, offering versatility and style across different iPhone generations. MUJJO'S Shield case for the iPhone 15 stands out with unrivaled shock absorption technology, providing drop protection rated up to an impressive 5 meters or 15 feet. The rear camera bump ensures the safety of your lenses. The Luxe variant boasts vegetable tanned leather that ages beautifully and a luxurious Japanese microfiber lining, giving it a refined, thin profile. Sustainability is at the forefront, with grit and water-free leather tanning, gold-rated leather, and recycled plastic components. MUJJO'S full leather case weighs 33 grams and it's available in 4 variants for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as iPhone 15, seen pictured in black, and iPhone 15 Plus, which feature a wrapped leather camera bump for lens protection. The MUJJO full leather cases for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max feature a metal rear camera bump instead. MUJJO'S full leather cases also feature a 1mm raised leather bezel safeguarding the screen from abrasive surfaces. The vegetable tanned leather develops a unique patina over time, and the Japanese microfiber lining provides a satin-like finish. Similar to the Shield case, it follows sustainable practices, including grit and water-free leather tanning and recycled materials. MUJJO'S full leather wallet case weighs 35 grams and adds functionality by turning the iPhone 15 into a wallet with space for up to 3 cards and/or banknotes. It maintains the design elements of the full leather case but with added convenience of a pocket. MUJJO'S full leather wallet case is available in 2 versions. One with vertical entry pocket, which is exclusive to the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro, while the side entry pocket is available for the iPhone 15 Plus and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The color options align with the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro colors. MUJJO'S new iPhone 15 cases are all compatible with iPhone 13 and 14 models, providing versatility across different iPhone generations.